passion, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness. There comes a time where you fade to the blackness, and when you staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
That airplane from the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Hey, blacked out.
Wow.
Pulling up and everybody act out. Ops out, gas out. Run up on me, get whacked out.
That was the P-roll.
Nigga sleeping on me, tell him watch this. Jumping on stage in the mosh pit. Bitch nigga run up your profits. Can't let a bitch nigga press me. Fuck about a hoe, my bitch too sexy. Bands all blue like Pepsi. I'll be rocking out on stage like Preston. Said he wants smoke, it's a bet, G. Think you survive, nigga, run up and let's see. Dripping with the water like a jet ski. Dipping on 12, they got everyone to set me. About my shit, no cap in the rap. Stay with the flows, nigga, can't hit. Feel like God from dressing the black.
I had no max. What you want?
I had a stack. He ate the motor. This Corvette last year, I was living in Corolla. I just put lean in the soda. Think I might throw it. He ain't about shit, but he steady throw it for it. Prada and Balenciaga. I get the cheese, count up the ricotta. I'm tryna blow it, could call me Osama.